Hi, welcome back. Well, let's talk about the commodity markets now. The big fall in crude. Manisha Gupta, commodities editor, is here with us. Manisha, today what's the one commodity you're tracking?
The crude oil prices, for sure, because after 6% gain in the previous week, we've seen 4% decline in the crude oil prices right now. So we've actually come to the point in crude oil prices since the Aramco oil attacks there, really. So all of that gain that we saw in the previous week actually has been taken off. We are back around those $61, $62 per barrel kind of levels for the Brent crude oil prices. In addition to that, there are statements from Saudi Arabia saying that nearly 75% of the output has been restored. If you look at the economic data coming in from Japan, from Eurozone, has been on the weaker side. The manufacturing activity has been declining. Even the US consumer confidence numbers that came in yesterday were on the weaker side. Add to that, the US and China trade talks do not seem to be going very well. The latest US statement is that they will not accept a bad deal with China. So the hopes that the markets were building up in sense of a trade dispute actually going away are still pretty much on. So demand concerns continue to stay on. The other is the US weekly inventory data. While last week was a surge in the inventories as well, this week the API suggests nearly 1.4 million barrels of a surge in US weekly inventories, and that's weighing onto the space. Add to that the latest statements coming in from the Iran president saying that they are open to the nuclear talk and ready for discussion or amendments or addition or small changes in sense of the nuclear deal that was scrapped off in 2016. So that premium seems to be going off as well. So the whole US and Iran conversation seems to be getting back on track, and that seems to be taking the premium off the prices as well. So no surprises really that we have a sell call coming in for the crude oil prices. We have IndiaNivesh giving us calls today. 4,040 is the kind of level that they're expecting in the crude prices on the weaker side. All the concerns and the tensions have led to buying in case of gold. So further buying recommended on that one. 38,330 is your target onto that one for today.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for that. With that, it's curtains down on Bazaar, but don't go anywhere. Lots of interesting stories coming up on the other side on our show Chartbusters.